McKenna, sounds like just a few hours away. Things might change a little bit.
That's exactly right. We in Fort Worth and most of Dallas, too, is on the west side of that cold front. Dry air on the west side of that cold front. So we've seen those clouds break up a bit. But you get along the front off to the east sides of Dallas. That's where we've got more cloud coverage. And we still have some shower activity in a couple of spots. We have first alert weather days lasting through Saturday for these intermittent storm chances that get more widespread each day. Large hail and a damaging wind threat. Those are going to be some of those highest concerns, and then an isolated tornado threat as we get through the end of the week. So let's walk you through the timing. Really going to start close to midnight tonight and last through about noon tomorrow. Those scattered strong to severe storms with a hail and wind threat. Then we get Thursday overnight into Friday. It'll be more widespread shower activity. That tornado threat lingers into the end of the week. And then we've got flood concerns as we head into the weekend, as we get more widespread rain on soggy soil. That's something we'll have to watch closely by that point. Here's a look at satellite and radar. As things sit right now, you'll notice right where that cold front sits stretches from Corsicana on the map up along the Red River toward Paris, and that is where we have all that shower activity still riding along that front. Athens getting hit with some training shower activity there, and then you get to the Texarkana area and notice tornado warnings immediately off to our east right along that cold front. We haven't seen quite as severe weather today because our cap held a little bit longer, but it is starting to erode, and that's why we're seeing those showers off to our east. Right now we sit at 77 degrees in Fort Worth. That southeasterly wind just about 8 miles per hour. There's where the cold front sits. Take a look at this. 77 in Fort Worth, 74 in Dallas. You get into Terrell and we're only in the mid 60s, low 60s for Sulphur Springs. That cold front lifts back to the north as a warm front overnight, and that's why those rain chances really start to increase next couple of days. Eventually, a low pressure system moves in by the weekend, and that brings us the more widespread rain. So let's walk you through the timing of all of that. Those showers off to the east clear up. We get after midnight tonight, and notice scattered showers return through that time frame. And we'll be looking at that threat for some large hail, especially along and north of 20 into tomorrow morning. That tapers. We get a bit of a lull tomorrow afternoon. Then we get into Friday and Saturday, and look at the rain just overtake the map here. Some heavy downpours there as well. This crosses through most of the region. Just about everybody sees some rain as we head Friday and into Saturday. That eventually pushes out and starts to clear up as we head into the back half of Saturday. But we have severe weather threats just about every day. That level 3 risk overnight tonight, that level 2 risk the next couple of days. So slightly lower, but it is still there, that scattered threat for some stronger storms. Now, a look at your 7-day forecast. Notice we have those first alert weather days in effect through Saturday. When all is said and done, as this rain starts to taper, these are some of the totals that we will be looking at. We're looking at totals pushing 2 to 6 inches. The farther northeast you get, the farther away from Dallas, the higher those totals get. West sides of the Metroplex and southwest sides looking at totals anywhere from about 1 to 1.5 inches. We are looking at some soggy soil through the end of this. That does start to taper back half of Saturday. Cold front sweeps through. Then by Sunday, we start to dry out. We'll see a little more sunshine, but we'll be much colder. Upper 50s on Sunday, which puts us 15 to 20 degrees below average. We start to warm up and the sunshine returns next week, guys.